Question is the greatest benefit of risk-based auditing. The greatest benefit of risk-based auditing is that option number A enables alignment of resources to significant risk areas. Option number B identifies problem areas within an organization. Option number C demonstrates compliance with regulatory requirements. Option number D allows an organization to identify and eliminate low risk areas. Now, I give you one hint. Whenever you find in the question, uh, if the question is asking about the benefit or the main purpose or the main reason behind risk based auditing, what is risk based auditing? Mainly we are focusing on high risk areas. The auditors are focusing mainly on the high risk areas, and it is what normally practiced everywhere. You can't focus everywhere. You have to focus on high risk areas. Try to understand the auditors have limited time, limited resource, and obviously limited amount of the fees which the auditors will be getting. So the auditors can't focus everywhere. All right, whether it is your external auditors or even in case of even internal auditors also. All right, even if it is internal auditors, even in that case also, you can't focus like everywhere all the time. All right, definitely you will focus more on high risk areas. And what's the benefit of risk based auditing is that basically it enables the alignment of resources to significant risk areas. It enables the alignment of all the resources, whether it is time, whether it is the human resource, everything. You are basically aligning, you are focusing more into what significant risk areas. This is the first and the foremost benefit. No doubt, you may have what I mean. You are doing it because to comply with the regulatory requirements, everything can come, but the benefit, the greatest benefit would be what, that your all resources would be more aligned towards the significant risk areas. All right, see, no doubt we are supposed to comply with the regulatory requirements, but this option number C will not come everywhere. Option number C, most of the times I have told you that whenever you look at this word, compliance with the regulatory requirements, you're supposed to focus on this word. I have said this a lot of times, but it will not come as a thumb rule. All right, and especially whenever the question is about this risk based auditing or risk based approach, your obviously your first benefit, the greatest benefit would be that all your resources would be aligned towards more significant risk areas.